Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use QR scanner or barcode reader app on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened to my mobile phone, and first of all, you need to download the QR scanner and barcode reader app. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. And since I'm Android user, so I'm gonna go to my Play Store, and then we can go to the search menu or search bar to search for the QR scanner and barcode reader app. I'm gonna click on this search bar, and then we just need to type in QR code reader as the keyword. Okay, and then I recommend you to select this one guys. Okay, and I have installed this application on my mobile phone, so I just need to open up this application, and I'm going to show you how we can use this application to scan QR code or barcode. Okay, and I'm just going to use this application to read barcode. This one here, I have a barcode. Okay, and this is the result. This is the code, and then if you want to view it, just click on view code right here. Okay, and then if you want to save it, we just need to click on this option. Okay, and then we can click on print, and we will be able to download the barcode. Just click on save as PDF if you want to save it to your device. Okay, and I'm going to show you the feature of this application, and you can also scan image from your gallery if you want. Just click on scan image, and you can upload an image from your gallery. For example, I'm going to scan this one. Okay, and then we can select the QR code area and just click on the check mark. Okay, and this is the result. Just click on view code if you want to view the code. Okay, and I'm going to go back, and here you can activate the flashlight. If you want to activate it, just click on the light like this, and the flashlight will be activated, and you will be able to view the history as well. Just click on history, and this is the history. You will be able to export it, and you can also import CSV file here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use QR scanner and barcode reader app on mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.